So class, now we shall learn about minor and cofactor. So here you have a determinant represented by the symbol delta. How to find out the minor and cofactor? We do like this. So I'll show you how to find out the minor of 1, 0 and 4, the entries which are there in the first row. So to find out the minor of 1, in general we say A11 because it is located in the first row and first column. So the minor of 1, that is A11, we can find that by simply deleting all those entries which are in the first row and in the first column. So when you do that, you will be left with 5 minus 1, 1, 2. So write that in the form of a determinant of order 2, and when you do the cross multiplication, you will be getting 11. So that is how we do it. So now, to find out the minor of A12, that is the minor of that entry which is in the first row, second column. So in this case it is 0. So to find out the minor of 0, that is A12, so we do simply delete all those entries which are in that row where 0 is located, and simply delete all those entries which are in that column, that is second column in this case. So you will be left with 3 minus 1, 0, 2. So write that in the form of a determinant of order 2, and that after multiplication, after cross multiplication, you will be getting 6. So you do the same to the number 4. You do on your own how to find out the minor of 3, 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, where in general you can represent those entries by A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 respectively. Try it. Make sure that you got all those values. Now, let us find out how to find the cofactor of A11. That means the cofactor of that entry which is located in the first row and in the first column. So, to find out the cofactor, we simply put minus 1 always and raise that to the power of 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 to show that you are finding the cofactor of that entry which is in the first row, first column. And then you multiply by M11, which is the minor of A11. Now when you do that, you will be getting 11. So that is how we do it to find out the cofactor of every element. So we continue to do the same thing to find out the cofactor of A12, that is the cofactor of that entry which is in the first row and in the second column. And we do the same thing to find out the cofactor of A13, that means the cofactor of that entry which is in the first row and in the third column. And you do the same thing also to find out the cofactor of the remaining entries like A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. And you try it out. Make sure that you get the correct values, and when you have learned to do that, then we can proceed to the next step.